Okay, in this video we're going to factor the following expression, and we're going to use method 3, AC plus grouping plus a special trick. And in the description box of this video I go over this method in detail, and so I cover stipulations there. Here in this video it's more of a practice problem, and so I may not cover all the stipulations if it doesn't relate to the problem itself. And so let's begin. So I'm going to first draw an X. This piece is going to be A times C, this is going to be B. Now our A term is 4 and our C term is -2. So A is the coefficient for x squared and C is the constant. And 4 times -2 will give you -8. Our B term is the coefficient for x, so -7. At this point we think to ourselves, what two number multiply to give us -8 but add to give us -7? And that's going to be 1 and -8. And now we're going to see this part right here, this little trick step. So this is 4x squared. What I'm going to do is write 4x here and 4x here. And so pretty much I'm ignoring the squared and I'm putting it in both places. Now obviously this is not equivalent. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. So this and this won't be equivalent. Now I'm going to put my -8 here and my +1 here. Now obviously -8 times 1 is -8, not -2. So again, not equivalent. Now the next step. So I took 4x and I put it on both sides. My next step is to divide by 4. And I'm only going to divide by 4 if both terms can be divided by 4. As an example, I could divide this by 4, but I can't divide this by 4 and get a nice clean number, so I won't divide it by 4. But both of these pieces I could divide by 4, and so I'm going to do that. 4x divided by 4 will give us x. -8 divided by 4 will give us -2. Close it. Then we do the other parentheses, 4x plus 1. And so this right here is actually your final answer. Kind of weird. And again, if you're going to use this method, I highly recommend watch the video in the description box that covers AC plus grouping plus a trick. And again, we can always check. X times 4x is 4x squared. X times 1 is 1x. -2 times 4x is -8x. -8x plus 1x is -7x. And -2 times 1 is -2. And so everything matches. And if you want more practice, check out the description box for more videos.